We had a children's flu party and it was a great success. I'm really pleased about it. A simple nasal spray which is given by the doctor or the nurse, in each nostril, just one squirt each, to protect them from seasonal flu. It is quite important because children mix with other children. They can pass on bugs to other children, and that is how flu can spread quite easily. Well, a child with a normal immunity itself can get quite ill and they can be hospitalized, sometimes. But other children who do have issues like with their lungs, heart, or with the bowel, or any major significant disease can be quite ill and can be hospitalized for a serious amount of time.
I don't want them to get sick because I've got 5 of them. So if one catch the flu, so the rest are also going to be affected. I would rather have it than putting their life at risk.